Okay, so today we're going to learn how to draw the monkey's head. So before we start with any design, it's very important that we first break down the entire steps first, alright? Break down the entire monkey into different parts. So from here, you have to think about what are some of the shapes that you can see, alright? So now let us look at the different parts one at a time. So firstly, we have the ears. So you can see the ears are actually made up of two ovals. Alright, next we can look at the eyes, and you can see that the eyes are actually made up of two ovals and one circle. Then you have the nose, which is made up of two circles. And finally, you have the mouth, which we learned how to create just now. So then you have this very interesting shape over here, and you have this very interesting shape over here. And these are actually created by combining the shapes together. You can see the hair portion for this white one, for the face here, this sharp edge over here is actually created from the same shape. Alright, and this one over here, you can see is actually created from the same shape as well, but just rotating the shape around. So if you're able to do this, we should be able to create our monkey. Right? So let's start off with the easy parts. Let us first start the ears. So for the ears, we're going to make one ear an oval shape, and we are going to make the other ear the same shape as well. Alright? So adjust it as well. Let us now change the color. We're going to change it to a black color. Alright, and then now we're going to overlap the entire circle, and we're going to change the other color into a lighter tone, alright, light tone of colors. You can choose some different tones that are available here, and with this we already have one ear. Alright, so we're going to keep the ear over here. We're going to duplicate it later on. Alright, but before that we just group it first. So I'm going to select it and group the ear, so now I have one entire ear. Alright, I need two ears now, right? So let's break it down. Let's copy, let's paste for another ear, and let us now flip the ear. I have two ears. Now next let's do the eyes. The eyes are actually very, very easy. Alright, I'm now going to insert a circle. I'm going to turn it into an oval. Alright, and I'm going to now duplicate this, and I'm going to now insert a small, another circle. I'm going to change it into a circle. Alright, and I am going to zoom in a little bit if I can't see, and try to make it a nice circle. And I'm going to lock the shape by going into arrange and constrain proportions. I'm going to change that color to white. So where's my ear? I'm trying to find where's my eye, sorry. There you go. I'm going to put it in the front. I'm going to change the overall color to black, and I'm going to group it right now. So with this I can actually group it, and then I have my eye. I'm going to duplicate my eye, copy and paste, and now I have two eyes. No problem. So then comes the nose. So I'm going to create another blank slide for the nose, and same, I'm going to insert a circle. I am going to do constraint proportions, change it to black. I'm going to make it a very, very small nose, and now I'm just going to duplicate it one more time, copy and paste. There you go. And I'm trying to align my nose a little bit. If I can't, I'm going to zoom in some more, align it, and I'm going to group it now. And this is my nose. Alright, so no issues. I got my eyes already. I'm going to group, space it out. I'm going to group it as well. So that way my eyes. So I got the easy parts done. So now for the big parts, I'm going to insert another blank slide. It doesn't really matter the order because I'm going to combine everything together anyway. Alright, so just now we recap that we actually did our mouth. So remember the mouth, you're going to have one bigger square, right, oval. You're going to copy and paste this one. I'm going to have another smaller oval. I'm going to put it underneath, arrange the size. Okay, if I find that it's very difficult to see, I can just change the color. And I need to make sure that the smaller oval is behind the bigger one, because all I want is the green colored portion. Alright, so I change green color because it is easier for me to see. So once I'm done, I'm going to select all, I'm going to arrange, and we'll combine, and then go to the third one. And once I have this, clear one side. Now let us create this portion over here. Right? So this portion is very simple. I'm going to use an oval, I'm going to make it big, and I'm going to now duplicate it again, copy and paste. I'm going to create another oval, make it a bit longer. So now I have this very simple one over here. Try to arrange it this way. And because I already had this, I am now going to add the shapes to save it. So now I already have this, I can use it anytime. I'm going to select one now, and I'm going to just do a simple rotation to push it to the up a little bit. Alright, if you can't see, you can do a rotation one more time, push it up again. So one trick is, if you can't see, just put it over to one side, then you can see, look at it, it's easier that way. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste this, and now I am going to rotate, flip this the other way, and try to make my hairline. So this is what I want. Now I'm going to just copy both, I'm going to bring it over this way. Alright, so there I go. And now that I have this, I am going, oh sorry, I only have one, so I can delete the other one first, let's put one side first. So now that I have this, I'm just going to select everything, and I'm going to just group it together, so I already have one. I'm going to change the color later on, so that one's not a problem. So now for the black colored head portion, this is very simple, so I just have to go and do this right now. So I'm going to create one more slide, and I am going to insert a shape. I'm going to insert this shape over here. So the thing about this shape is you can press and pull the green features. So align a little bit, and now increase the size to whatever size that I want. Alright, not going to be too big, but nothing but this will do. Somewhere here will do, and I'm going to change the color to black. And at this point in time, remember I already had this previously. I'm just going to copy, and I'm just going to paste it here. I'm going to change it to black color, and I need two. Because of the hair, I need two. So now I am going to just put it around. I'm going to tune this out a bit. I'm going to now make a mistake. I'm now going to just duplicate this again. Here's one more, and I'm going to now flip it again. Alright, and I'm going to just put it over. Alright, so now I got this, and I got all my shapes. Group this one, I'm just going to put them all together. So very simple. Using this as the main shape, I'm just going to drag, copy everything over now. So I'm going to copy these two things first. Copy, and bring it in. Paste. So now I got this. And I can easily play around with it later on. I'm going to bring my ears in now. Copy, paste it over here. Let me get my nose. Copy the nose. Copy, paste it over here. Just put it to one side so that I can see later on. And my eyes as well. Copy, I'm going to paste it over here. And now once I'm here, I'm just going to adjust the size and bring everything together. Alright? So settle the first part, settle the big parts here. So now let me just arrange my ear. Alright, arrange the ear. Let me just put this mouth. I'm going to adjust this one a little bit. So bring it together. Let me now ungroup this first. Because now I'm just going to do a combined shape over here. And I'm going to now change the color. Notice if you group, you cannot have access to the text or the style. So you will need to have that to change the color. And I'm going to use a dropper tool to select and get my same color. Alright, so it's very simple. Go into your fill under color, You swipe it down, you have the dropper 2, which is this one over here. So now I use dropper 2, I get this color. And then I'm gonna now bring my ear in. So I adjust my ear. Alright. Okay. And now I'm just gonna send this to the back. So I'm gonna select. I'm gonna just bring this to the front, it's easier that way. So now let me select object. Select object. Okay, bring it all the way to the front. So now I have this already. Then now my smile. I'm going to bring my smile to the front, but before that I'm going to change the color into a nice red color. And I'm going to now bring it to the front. I'm going to bring it in, and now I need to adjust my monkey smile. So try to align it to the center, and then now my eyes. So in the first layer, I'm going to bring my eyes in, bring it in, and finally my nose is behind, so I'm going to shift it away to the front again. So I'm going to bring my nose in, and with that, adjust my nose, and with that, you have your monkey. Alright, have fun!